Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0044 error code and running rough? This issue can cause poor fuel economy, rough idling, and even increased emissions, leading to expensive repairs if ignored. In this video, we'll cover what P0044 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because ignoring this issue can lead to bigger engine problems. The P0044 code stands for HO2S Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 1 Sensor 3. This means that the oxygen sensor's heater circuit in Bank 1, Sensor 3, is detecting a voltage higher than expected. The heater inside the sensor is designed to quickly warm up the O2 sensor for accurate air-fuel mixture readings. If this circuit fails, it can cause poor engine performance and increased emissions. Symptoms of P0044: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough idling and hesitation, increased emissions, and failed emissions test. Common causes of P0044: a faulty oxygen sensor heater. The heating element inside the sensor may be shorted. Wiring short circuit, a short to power in the heater circuit can cause excessive voltage. A faulty ECU, the engine control unit may be sending incorrect signals. Relay or fuse issues, a faulty relay or fuse can affect the heater circuit. Corroded or loose sensor connector. Poor connections can cause erratic voltage spikes. Where is the O2 sensor located for P0044? Bank 1 Sensor 3 location, found after the second catalytic converter on Bank 1. In 4-cylinder engines, Bank 1 is usually on the same side as cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 1 is typically on the passenger side. Oxygen sensor heater circuit fuse and relay location. The heater circuit is powered through a fuse and relay, usually found in the underhood fuse box. Check your owner's manual for the exact fuse and relay location. Wiring harness connection. The O2 sensor wiring runs along the exhaust system and connects near the transmission or under the vehicle body. Look for burnt, frayed, or disconnected wires. Tip: always refer to your vehicle's repair manual to locate the exact components in your specific model. Check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater circuit terminals. If the resistance is too low or zero, replace the sensor. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for burnt or shorted wires leading to the O2 sensor. Test the voltage supply. Use a multimeter to check if the heater circuit is getting proper voltage. If voltage is too high, check for a short to power in the wiring. Inspect the fuse and relay. A faulty relay or blown fuse can cause incorrect voltage readings. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, use an obd2 scanner to reset the P0044 code and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So, that's everything you need to know about P0044 HO2S Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 1 Sensor 3. If you're dealing with this issue, start by checking your oxygen sensor, wiring, and fuse. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next: P0471, Exhaust Pressure Sensor Performance, and P0341, Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Range Performance. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.